Alright. Now we're going to carefully install the cover once again. Be careful not to make too many clean spots on it. Where's the hole? Oh, a little bit of a monkeying with this thing every time. The starter drive has to line up. If it ain't lined up, you aren't going on.